Welcome to St. John Vianney High School. My name is Steve DiMezza, and I am the president, and have been part of this Catholic community for the past 30 years. Today, through a series of videos, you can meet teachers, administrators, coaches, and students. You'll have an opportunity to see what our curriculum has to offer and what clubs, sports, and other activities are available for your child. You also have the choice to select a video in the areas that interest you the most. After the videos, you will have the opportunity, at your convenience, to register for a personal tour or sign up for a virtual conversation with the administration. On tours or at your request, we would love to also send you any hard copies of our advertising material to make sure that you have all the information you need to make the right decisions on your child's future. So if you're considering a Catholic high school for your child, why we believe that high school should be St. John Vianney High School. There's an old saying that it takes a village to raise a child. It's still true today. There is no how-to book when you're a parent, whether your children are first born or when they are entering high school. St. John Vianney High School is here as that village. To help parents, we share the same values and reinforce what you, the parents, are attempting to instill in your child every day. If you're interested in this school, you're saying that education is very important to you. You're willing to pay for quality rather than receiving less for free. You're saying you want a school that will educate the spirit as well as the intellect. We assume that part of your interest in this school is because you want your child to be safe, held accountable for his or her actions, rewarded for hard work, and to be loved. St. John Vianney High School lives our mission. Our community and culture are about helping others and making students feel welcome and cared for. Our goal is to take your middle school boys and girls and in 4 years to educate them so they become young men and women of good character, academically capable of facing the 21st century, and who understand the need to serve their communities. Students here at SJV choose to be here. They are bound by common goals. Students will find an atmosphere where academic achievement is valued. SJV is able to provide a disciplined environment because we have control over who is admitted, who stays, and how students are expected to behave. Teaching the whole child is a priority. So why SJV? We're a family. At SJV, the entire staff gets to know your child in and out of the classroom, at school events and games. We pray together. We see your child in many different lights to enhance the whole learning process. The key to any success is to have balance. Our school community provides a balanced approach to education. We want you to be part of our family. Over the past 50 years, St. John Vianney High School has been at the cutting edge of education. We were the first in the area to choose a 4x4 block schedule. It has been over 22 years that we first offered this format in all of its educational benefits. This year will mark the 18th year that we have been a one-to-one tablet computer school. Technology is a central part of our curriculum and culture. Our years of experience in these areas assisted us in a smooth transition from school to home during the recent COVID-19 pandemic. Our knowledge in these areas has afforded us to move forward in transforming our classrooms into real-time, live teaching that can be shared at home, in other schools, or across the world. St. John Vianney High School has also led the way in offering our students the opportunity to gain college credits or an associate's degree during the students' 4 years of high school. Our partnerships with Seton Hall University, Georgian Court College, and Brookdale Community College allows qualified freshmen through seniors to gain college credits while still in high school. But most importantly, St. John Vianney's curriculum is designed for parents and students to have choices. We are a college prep Catholic high school with different levels in each discipline. We offer in-class support for qualified students. Each student receives a college counselor, an adult mentor, and we also offer academic support advisors, a community support coach, and several licensed mental health professionals. We want your child to succeed. We believe there are no other options. A large part of the Catholic high school experience are extracurricular activities. Here at SJV, we host over 35 clubs. They meet during the school day, which allows students to catch their bus home or participate in sports and theater after school. We have over 30 varsity athletic teams, most with JV and freshman levels. Our teams are consistently recognized on county, shore conference, state, and national levels for excellence in performance and sportsmanship. St. John Vianney sits on a 38-acre campus in a safe environment and surrounding area. It is in a convenient location, there's no traffic, close to the parkway and other major county roads. The school has newly renovated science labs, theater, outdoor lighted sports complex, where the majority of our athletic facilities are on campus, a 12,000 square foot activity center, full-time trainers, dedicated music rooms. All our parking is conveniently on campus. There's a prayer garden and chapels. The entire building is climate controlled. We have also invested in our own bus fleet to make the ever-growing transportation problem smoother for our parents. But why SJV? We are here to serve you. Our staff strives to be in a working partnership with our parents. The end results are clear. 75% of our graduates were accepted into the universities of their choice. Last year's graduates were offered millions of dollars in scholarships and grants. Over 60% of the class were recipients. We also believe that St. John Vianney offers you the best return on your investment. Our organizational structure and leadership team is committed to raising alternative income streams to lessen the burden of rising tuition costs. I encourage you to compare the other schools and be an educated consumer. And when you're done evaluating your information, I believe that St. John Vianney High School offers a better value proposition when you're comparing curriculum, programs, and facilities than our competitors. Remember, a Catholic school education is an investment in your child's future. And listen, the biggest regrets people have aren't about what they did, but what they didn't do. I want to thank you again. Please take the time to watch the other videos in areas that interest you, and I hope to meet you at a virtual conference or on a personal tour. May God bless you, and good luck.